it's Matt Wetzel
And Don Thomas here with Gatsby.
from Thomas Matthew Designs, and on behalf of our IFDA Philadelphia chapter, we wanted to thank all those who participated in our annual fundraiser. The fundraiser was to support Marvin's Home, which is a local charity helping people in foster care move into their first home. And it also is going to be supporting our educational fund, continuing support for education.
We also wanted to announce the lucky recipients of our baskets.
And a thanks again to everyone who donated.
So without further ado, basket number 1, a day of self-care, courtesy of the FabricShield.
The winner is Mary Beth Brown from Clarence House.
Yay, congrats, Mary Beth.
And we all love Clarence House, so
Good stuff. Basket number 2, New Year, New Look, the Ben Moore basket, room makeover, courtesy of Ricciardi Brothers, and the recipient of that basket is
Heather Rebold from Stout Textiles.
Yay, congrats, Heather. Basket number 3, a cozy night in, courtesy of us here at Thomas Matthew Designs.
Yours truly. And the winner of that basket is, again, Heather Rebold from Stout Textiles.
Coming to your place, Heather. Basket number 4, Spoil Your Pooch, which I'm sure Gatsby would enjoy, which is courtesy of SS Graham Interiors. And the winner of that basket is
No surprise here. It's
not rigged.
Heather Rebold. And this is not rigged. So
She's a three-peat. We're coming to your place.
We're coming
Definitely.
for a movie night, and Gatsby's coming
Bring
for
Gatsby
the
for the
treats.
basket. Number 5, the wind down basket, courtesy of Kieffer's Appliances.
The winner is Janet Stevenson's from Closet City.
Congrats, Janet. Number 6, the Long Winter's Night basket, which I'm sure we have a few of those left, courtesy of McCausland, our national president.
The winner is, wow, we're having a lot of repeat winners here. It's Janet Stevenson
Woo!
from our Closet City.
Good stuff. And last but certainly not least, the Musing Till Spring, courtesy of Carmana Designs, and the lucky winner of that basket is
Goes to Kristen Casa from Kieffer's Appliances.
Yay! Congratulations, Kristen. That's all we got.
So we wanted to again thank everyone who participated, either if you donated a basket or you bid it on a basket, or maybe you helped give a monetary donation to one of our charities this year. We greatly thank you, and we wish you a very happy holiday from Thomas Matthew Designs and our IFDA Philadelphia chapter.
And thanks, Becky, for keeping our baskets and serving as our drop-off as well.
Yes, Becky at DTR was a huge help in organizing our virtual basket and fundraiser. So thanks again, Becky, and thanks again, everyone who showed your support.
Bye, everybody. Happy holidays.